Good afternoon. It's May 4th, 2023. And today we had this downtrend. We had a break, two legs up, moved to a new low, and we've really just been going sideways since then. These two legs, it looks like the second leg's a little bigger, but basically two measured legs of correction before a move to a new low, and we really just went sideways after that. So we'll take a look at these trades. Um, See if there's anything I missed. So uh, here's where you would have found the trend line. So 519, shortly after 5, and we already had a break and two legs down to a new low. And so we make this leg up, and you can see they trap a bunch of people. I think that's where I got trapped on MES this morning. Yeah, as I went long, and it was just sideways. Um, so, and it looks like the second entry would have worked. Let's see what that would have gotten you. Yeah, so if you wait on that second entry, that would have gotten you a scalp. But I don't think it worked out that way on the MES anyway. So we're just going sideways into the open. I don't see anything I like in there. And then we get this sharp move down. We bounce off that trend line again. And we get a break of this channel and an attempt to make a new low that fails. So we get one, two legs. That actually looks like a repeat, or not a repeat. This looks like a repeat. These two legs, and then this lower high, that looks like this. One, two, and yeah, some sideways stuff. But anyway, I don't actually, yeah, you could take that. So first entry, second entry, I didn't see that. I like that one. I think I may have been looking at the larger channel though, and we're kind of in no man's land coming from that the low end of this channel. So, but I think after that strong move down, I think you can take that. So we form this range, and there's a possibility that this range is more like that. And that looks pretty accurate. So you're just going sideways, so I don't think you can take anything in here. And this looks like a nice failed break lower, but we're up towards the highs of the channel. Come back, test the price channel, and just get a strong sell off. And that's followed by a first entry, second entry that confirms this short term trend channel. And that's a nice sell off. And then you get another first, second entry short off of that trend channel again. Very nice setup. And then you get a first entry, second entry near the main trend channel. I marked it red, but I mean, with us coming up short of the trend line a few times, it should probably be green. And then you get another second entry, and this signal bar is no good, so really this one's super aggressive. And you can see we're making higher lows too, so I should probably take that off. And we get that one leg of break, and we hit that measured move. And if this was a lower high, I'd probably mark it to take it because it's so far from the EMA. But then we're just chopping around. Get that second leg of correction. And this one looks all right, but there's a lot of overlap in here. So that might act as a level of support. And we form this spike and channel down. And there's nothing in here. Too much overlap here. Lower high, but nothing there. And then the second entry with no signal bar. If you got a good signal bar right here, I think you should take it. Overshoot. And then we just make a couple moves down, overshoot it again, and then we just rock it out of here. You get this move up, break, two legs of correction, high or low, and then it makes another strong move up. And we come up here. Let's see, there's probably a move off these highs or something. Yeah, it's like a spiking channel. Yeah. And you get a break of this and a first entry, second entry. So I think that's worth taking. Nice signal bar. Room to the highs, room to that opening price where it turns down. This one you might consider lower high, but you're going right into that low, so I don't think you want to take it. And then we do go lower, and then we just chop sideways, and you get like several tests here. And this is actually a second entry. So but then the second entry doesn't trigger, and then you get this lower high. So I think you want to take this. You can see it hit off that level of resistance a few times. So I think you can take that, and it sells off. And we ride that midline a little bit before you actually get a reversal here, but there wasn't a break of this channel yet, so I don't think you can take that. But then you come up here, and we hit this level of resistance again, and you get a lower high, so you might consider that one. And then we come back down, and then rock it up, and you get a second entry short up here. You actually might consider that, especially with all that room back to the EMA. But when you get that lower high, that's a repeat pattern of this. I mean, this is kind of like a repeat of this because it's a lower high. But this looks exactly like this, and I think you got to take that. And that just brings us to the end of the day. So, yeah, that's how I saw it today. I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.